Hi guys, we're going to talk about tension. So tension when you're crocheting is very important. Too tight and it's really hard to get in the stitches. Too loose and your project can end up being much too large. You just want to kind of find a good center balance where it's smooth to crochet into your stitches without it being overly droopy. So the size of your stitches should depend more on your hook, and your tension between projects should typically stay the same. To create a tension, you want to weave the yarn into your fingers like this. And as you crochet more, it will become more and more natural. This finger on the top here is your main, where you're pulling your yarn from. And some people like to crochet this way, so where you would grab the yarn or go into your loop, grab the yarn, come out, keep it up that way. I hold mine a bit lower down here. It's just more natural for me, so I grab it from behind like that instead of overhead, and then I use my finger to wrap around instead of it being up. You go in and then using the hook to grab like that. If you can, so you'll wrap it around your front finger like this, either way. So your project goes over your finger. You pinch it like this. And then usually you'll take this finger and kind of put the yarn over that one as well. That way you have a couple of fingers that the yarn is working its way through, and it will keep your tension normal throughout your project. Going through like that. If it even slips off this finger, it can be much harder to control the tension with just the one. You want to get that second. So give that a try and see how it feels.